Today we're going to be making cookie dough pizza. So to begin with, we're going to preheat our oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Then we're going to prepare the tin that we're going to actually cook the cookie in, a spring-form cake tin. And I'm just going to line this with some baking parchment so that the cookie doesn't stick to the tin. Next up, we're going to add our butter to a large mixing bowl. Make sure that the butter has been softened first, because then it's much easier to mix it into the other ingredients. So we're going to cream this butter with 80 grams of granulated sugar and 80 grams of light brown muscovado sugar. To cream the sugar together, you could use an ordinary whisk, but your boy can't be bothered and he's not strong enough to do that, so we're going to be using an electric whisk to mix all our ingredients together. Once that's done, we're going to beat in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a large egg. I recommend cracking in the egg on a flat surface because this helps to minimize shardage. Next up, we're going to sift our flour and our bicarbonate of soda into this mixture. We sift this because this helps reduce the risks of lumps occurring in our cookie batter. I'm also going to add a pinch of sea salt to our cookie dough because this seasons it nicely and makes it delectable to eat. So we're just going to mix that all together with a wooden spoon until everything is finely combined together. Next up, chocolate chips. I'm taking 200 grams of dark chocolate and I'm slicing this up with the largest, most menacing knife I can find. And just adding that to the cookie dough. Okay, boom, so that's the cookie dough done. We're gonna add that to our springform cake tin and we're gonna bake that in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. We're then gonna take a palette knife to loosen the edges of the cookie dough from the springform cake tin, and then we're just gonna pop out the dough, and then we're gonna leave it to cool for like, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe. Now for my toppings, I'm thinking of generic hazelnut spread and marshmallows because I'm doing s'mores. For the hazelnut spread, I wanted to heat this up a little bit to like just make it a little bit more liquid, so that's easier to spread on top of the cookie dough. So I just set up a simple bain-marie, which is a water bath, to melt down the hazelnut spread, and then I just smooth that on top of the cookie dough using a palette knife. And then sprinkled marshmallows on top of the cookie dough, and pops the pizza in the oven under the grill until all the marshmallows are all nice and long and crispy and delicious. And that's pretty much it.